Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing great. Today, we are going to talk about the simple past tense. Now, listen to these sentences very carefully. I went to the fair yesterday. We studied in class 4 last year. They met Mrs. Verma at the station. The words went, studied, and met are in the simple past tense. They tell us about actions that took place sometime in the past. That means we use the simple past tense to talk about actions that took place in the past. Now, here are some ways in which we can form the past tense. We can form the past tense by adding D, the alphabet D, to the verb. Example, save, saved. Prove, proved. We can also add ed to the end of the verb. Example, play, played. Yell, yelled. If the verb ends with a consonant, the last letter is doubled when we add ed. Example, tap, T-A-P, tap. So it becomes tapped, T-A-P-P-E-D. Similarly, snap becomes snapped. When a verb ends in the letter Y, the Y is changed to I and followed by ed. Example, cry, C-R-Y, cry. The Y changes to I and adds ed. So cry becomes cried, C-R-I-E-D. Similarly, worry becomes worried. Some verbs do not take D or ed after it, but changes completely. Examples, is becomes was, teach becomes taught, and sell becomes sold. Some verbs do not change at all. Example, cut, cut, hit, and hit. We will be doing more of past tense in our exercises during the class. Bye children. Meet you then.